Hi guys, Kia Sangria here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. As the title already tells you, today we're going to be doing a Beetlejuice makeup tutorial. I made this costume for Halloween and I'm so proud of it, and I'm finally going to go ahead and get to shooting it today. So in my last video, I actually have a sew-along that teaches you how to make this corset. So please go check that out if you're interested in making one for yourself. But I am so excited to do this tutorial for you guys today. I am so hyped for Halloween. I know that Halloween is gonna look different this year because of everything that's happening in the world, but I'm always excited for Halloween, and like literally nothing is gonna take that excitement away from me, especially because this is honestly the most creative I have ever been, and I'm taking full advantage of it right now because my favorite holiday is on the horizon. So I'm going to be using a mixture of products today. I will link everything that I used for this makeup tutorial down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. But without further ado, let's get into this makeup. Okay, so the first product I'm going to go in with is the Nyx Bear With Me primer water. And I've already taken off the makeup that I was wearing before, and I kept my brows because I just don't feel like doing that again. So I'm just going to apply this like all over my skin. I absolutely love the way this stuff smells, and I feel like it's so gentle. It's like my favorite primer now. And I'm going to prime my lips because I'm going to be mixing some pigments in order to create my lipstick color, because I, for whatever reason, do not own a green lipstick. I don't know how I allowed that to happen, but that's where I am in my life right now. So I'm gonna start with the foundation first because the eye look that I'm gonna do is gonna require me to kind of color outside the lines, just so that we have that Beetlejuice aesthetic going on. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Coconut. I'm just gonna put this on my brush. 3 pumps total. This is probably way too much. I might regret it. Okay, so now that I have applied my foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Concealer Perfect, and I'm just going to highlight a little bit under my eyes. I actually don't care if the under eye looks ashy, just because look at who we're doing makeup for today. So if I look casket ready, I'm not gonna be mad at it. So to set this, I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm just gonna tap a little bit of this under the eye. Next, to mattify my entire face, I'm going to go in with the Absolute New York Flawless Powder Foundation. I know that I need to eventually find an actual powder, but right now this has been working. And again, making my brushes a dual purpose, I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. And I'm going to go in with this deep shade right here. Okay, so with my face all done, I'm going to start my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Ruby Kisses Primer Potion. And okay, so now I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. This is going to be the first color that I lay down. Okay, so continuing on with the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to start dipping my brush into this black here, and I'm going to be in and out of this purple and this black just to try to deepen the color. Okay, so now that I'm done with the top, I'm actually going to start on the bottom. I'm going to go back in with that blending brush, and I am going going to now dip into my Jcat Blue Moon palette, and I'm just going to apply this dark color here under the eye. So I've just applied some of my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to go in with this glitter palette here. I think I'm going to go in, I think I'm going to start with this color here. It's called Crystal. It's kind of pink, but I don't know. I feel like it might work for this look. Let's see. Yeah. No, okay. Scratch that. That's canceled. We're gonna go in with this color here, which is the purple, and it's called Passion. Okay, now that I have just finished applying the glitter, I'm going to just add a pop of color to my inner tear duct, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Color Icon pigment. I think I picked this up like last year Halloween season. I'm just gonna add just a little. Did that do anything? I don't even know if that like actually did anything. I'm sorry guys. Let's go into the cap. Okay, that looks a little bit better. That looks like something new. Is that picking up on camera? Yeah. Okay. I look a mess. I literally like got pretty just to get pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Karity Bold Mood mascara, and I'm just gonna apply a coat of mascara to my top and bottom. Okay, so I have this stack of lashes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take 4 of these. I'm gonna just stack them on top of each other for like some extra volume, and then I'm going to apply these. Okay, so lashes are on. For some reason, I don't have a green lipstick, but I do have this Freedom palette from Jcat Beauty, so I'm just gonna swipe a little bit of like the yellow and the blue, and I'm gonna mix that to get green. Okay, so I got this dark green here, which I think this is gonna work. I think this is gonna look okay. I don't want a green lipstick, so this is the color that I mixed. So let's see how it looks. I'm just gonna take my lip brush. I think what's throwing me off now is just like the hair. Okay, so I just applied the lipstick that I just custom colored. Again, I used the Jcat Beauty Freedom palette, and I mixed the yellow and blue to get this green color that you see here. So I think to finish off this look, I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of highlight. I probably shouldn't do this, but I don't know, I just want to see how it's gonna look. Like, I just want to see. Okay, it doesn't look, it's not like messing it up. I'm actually mixing like this, like these yellows with this blue here, just to see if I can kind of get like a green thing going on. Okay, I went in with a little too much on that side, so now I can make this side match. Alright, let me stop before I hate it. Okay, I honestly think this is the finished look. I'm gonna go back in with my NYX Bear With Me, and I will meet you guys back here for the finished look. I'm so excited. This is literally my first time like actually wearing the outfit. So here's like the corset top and the bolero. This is like my first time wearing it. I actually like made it and then I put it straight on my mannequin. I've never tried this on before today, but this is like the first wear. Like, what do you guys think? You guys, I'm so excited about this costume now. Oh my god. Much for tuning in to watch this video. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, please be sure to like, comment below what you liked about it, and subscribe to my channel. And maybe I'll bring you guys some more Halloween looks because we're just getting started, and I'm really happy with how this came out, guys. Like, I feel like I need to do more of these now. I'm so excited to go shoot this. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so that when these pictures do go up, you get to see them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.